Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of making the ES335 fat neck. We are going to be doing a bunch of handwork. No CNCs in this one, unfortunately, but there will be more CNC content on that you can count. So let's get started. So today we're doing handwork, and the majority of that handwork I use a tool that I want to tell you guys about. This is it right here. StuMac calls it a razor cut file, I believe. If you look, it's marked with a little logo here, right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it says center. That's what they call this, razor cut file. I picked up a couple of new files, and interestingly enough, this tapered one has got the same engraving. This one was sold as a Iwasaki or Iwasaki, I don't know how they pronounce that. This one was another half round, but the smaller size, and they called this a chemical polished. So if you're looking for these on eBay or Amazon, you can look for razor cut. That's the StuMac version. Iwasaki is a very common. You see those that you can find them at Woodcraft. And then chemical polished is the other term for these type of files. Awesome files to work with, and they take out a lot of wood really fast, and they leave an awesome finish. So they're almost like tiny little planes, lots and lots of tiny little planes. So yeah, let's get out there. We're gonna do some chisel work, we're gonna do some file work, and at the end of this thing is gonna be done, and we'll be off onto the next project. Hopefully soon we'll get into modeling this ES335 body, which is going to be fun. And yeah, that'll probably be the next one for this series. But yeah, let's head out to the shop and let's start some work. That's it for the ES335 Fat Knack. That's the end of it. It's done, it's gone, it's on its way. We're gonna move on to new stuff. I'm gonna be cracking out there today on the Selmer guitar, try to get that thing done. I've got some work to do on the violin. I'm gonna get that neck off. I gotta build a tool to get the neck off, take the top off. And yeah, I've got another project I'm working on right now. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video series on that. Who knows? I might not. You never know. And yeah, so that was it. Thanks for all the likes. Thanks for all subscriptions. I really appreciate you guys picking up a bunch of Patreons. So yeah, if you want to see the Fusion 360 stuff that we do on the Saturday live streams, check out the Patreon. That reminds me, I got to get that file up that we just did yesterday. So thank you guys. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and we will see you next time.